This video is called How I Use HBA to Build Trust on YouTube and Google. When people search how to make money online without hype, they're not chasing tactics, they're looking for someone real. That's why I built my entire protocol around emotional resonance, congruent branding, and meta-green onboarding using HBA's instant commission system. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you how I'm sponsoring viewers into simple freedom warriors on my own dime. I'll pay your way in so you can duplicate this system with full leverage. It'll help you build daily lead traffic, leads, and sales. Day 4 pointer is all about anchoring trust, not just with flashy funnels or clever copy, but with real signals, real use, real results. That's why every thumbnail, every overlay, every comment engine I deploy is fused with congruence, because trust isn't built in the headline, it's built in the follow-through. I don't just talk about HBA, I use it every single day. It pays 80% commissions residually month after month after month, and it's been doing that for over 9 years. That's not hype, that's proof. Proof that trust first systems still work. Proof that beginners and rebuilders can win without selling out their voice or their values. And this feeds hungry children. How cool is that? Most people are burned by faceless funnels. They're seeing the hype, the automation, the generic overlays, and they don't believe it anymore. That's why I use my real photo in every thumbnail to build trust. Just real presence. Every video is built with emotional congruent branding. The title matches the overlay, the tone matches the persona, and the message matches the moment. That's how I create evergreen content that ranks on YouTube and Google following this training that I'm offering you for free. And you can earn 50% commissions of up to $1,500. Up to $1,500, and I'm giving it to you for free. The training you need to build your list and build lead, traffic, leads, and sales, and also build your downline. Get your downline trained for you in any single program. I'm using this method every single day, and I'm giving it to you on a silver platter, okay? Drop a comment if this resonates, because this next part is where most beginners miss it. They post content, but they don't optimize for congruence. I syndicate every video with platform-specific hashtags, direct pay affiliate system links, and persona-fused comment engines. Then I deploy reply prompts that match the viewer's emotional state. We train you on how to do this every single day. All you got to do is stay consistent. It doesn't take that long. And you can be ranking from day one. Day one, minutes after you post. If they're rebuilding, I speak to that. If they're skeptical, I meet them with clarity. That's how I build trust online, by showing up with the same energy in every reply, every post, every single funnel. And here's the bonus I promised. I'm going to show you the money, okay? I'm sponsoring viewers into Simple Freedom Warriors base level. That means if you're serious about rebuilding your business, you'll get instant access to the exact protocol I use, plus team duplication training and congruence first funnel logic. This is the training that I'm using every day and more to rank every single one of my videos. Okay, I was just recently #1 on YouTube and #1 on Google, and there's another guy who's only been in for 12 days that I believe is ranked 3rd for that same search term on Google. 3rd or 4th, okay? Pretty awesome. He's already ranking all over YouTube and Google, and every single member we have that's following the training is ranking, and we're dominating YouTube. You can too. This has been how I use HBA to build trust on YouTube and Google. I'm JJ Solly, your friendly neighborhood settlement. Don't delay, get with aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood settlement. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh, drop a comment, hit subscribe, and check out the next video in the rebuild series. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, for real.